Hello, this is Sandy Thomas here, and I'm giving the final outline of the ResiMax progress in the final completed app. So here what we have is our new web app centered home screen. Although we coded in Flutter, we added a sidebar with direct navigation to different parts of the app to substitute for this and mimic a web app. So here we have our profile hub, and the profile hub is where users can come in and fill in their data as far as their education, their different work experiences. If they've worked at, like I'm coming up to be working at Nike this summer as an intern, different experiences that they have, skills and projects. So they have skills like Python, Flutter, Dart, whatever, and the different projects that they've worked on here. And then we also have a place where you can put your links, your certificates, and your like GitHub and like portfolio websites, and your LinkedIn. And then we have where you can upload your transcript and resumes, like I've done here. And in my education, I have my transcript uploaded that is being fed to the AI agent model, and different work experiences. And so with that information, we come into Resume Builder, and we can generate ourselves a resume. And so we generate a resume here, and we have different parts right here to show your user your progress. And here we have a formatted resume that is outputted, and it is in good format. So here we have AI resume feedback, where you can give feedback on the resume that was just produced for you, and it'll show different stats and different things that you can improve on, and some stuff that might have been missing from your onboarding data that wasn't added to the resume. And you'll see that it's about to pop up here. So I scored a 92 out of 100, and you have like a summary, a profile alignment, strong points, then you're missing from resume, and some quick wins. And the overall score here is, this represents the ATS automatic tracking system for different AI models that are being used to scan resumes, but we changed it to overall score because the everyday user might not know what that means. So you can also come here to our resume coach, and in resume coach you can have the resume just generated for you, and a job description. I'm gonna look up a Nike software engineering intern job description. Description. So I'm gonna put in here this, and I'm gonna copy and paste that. That's gonna be in the job description, and then we'll do software engineering intern, and then company and Nike, and we're gonna analyze the resume there. And with the AI resume coach, you'll see that it helps you be able to like tailor your resume towards that. So you have here, this is my score, I got 88, and so my ATS readiness is 95, my keywords is 95, my structures are 90, but my impact is 82. And here's my summary. And so different fixes I can make. And so when I click apply all, this will actually can go to my resume. So I would regenerate my resume here, and it would actually add those fixes to my resume with it in the background. So we see here, yeah, so we actually expanded more and got a different resume. We got ourselves a different resume. And so we have that now generated, and so we can see some different things to help us with career growth, some different products I can build, and some certifications I can pursue, some rewritten bullets as well, you see. And then I can come here to find different jobs, or I can do is ask follow-up question. So overall, would I be a good fit overall would I be a good fit at Nike? And what we're going to see is our AI coach gives us an output of that, and I can keep going and showing these different outputs. And so one of the strong points though is our explore jobs. So explore jobs will find you jobs based off of your onboarding data and your resume data, and find you jobs that you're most matched for. So I'm going to click on the internship. We're going to see different ones, and I can actually apply now, and it'll send me to the links. And that's really good because it takes out the stress of having to find different links, and it's all right here for you. And for me, not a master, boom, different job links for you to apply to for your resume. Oh, Amazon, I would like to work there. Boom. And you can see you can actually here tailor your resume towards that specific job to where you can just instantly put in your resume and you're good to go on having to apply. And so boom, you have your resume clearly for that role. I'm just going to go back to all. And so I've hit all the places where there's an AI agent, and here you see I have credits available, but if I want to get unlimited or get more credits, we have implemented the sandbox beta version of Stripe. So once this is wired up, all you have to do is click here and you'll be able to pay for ResiMax services, the subscription service, or just our credit service and purchasing credits. And from here, because I am an admin, I have admin is true in my database, I can come to admin and get admin reports that are being read to us from PubSub and GCP. But I can also go back, and here there's also a tip of the day that is from an AI agent that is analyzing your data and your resumes. And so I can load up a new tip, and it says, hey Sandy, highlight a specific full stack project in your resume that showcases the integration of Flutter front end on it. I can keep going, but it shows different tips for you. And here we have our profile readiness. It shows I'm at 100% because I have completed all the profile hub stuff. And then also in the career journey, I've built my profile, I've polished my resume in the resume coach, I've explored jobs, and now I'm applying. So here at ResiMax, we make it easier to apply for jobs and internships and take the hard process of creating and tailoring your resumes to specific jobs to help you get all those applications out quicker, to help you get an internship and a job in this job market that is currently tough right now. We want to make it easy for you and unlock your potential. Thank you.